Excavator.
Excavator. It is a heavy construction machine mainly used for digging, moving soil, and preparing land. Tractor main parts. Bucket. The large attachment at the front that digs and carries soil, sand, or gravel. Boom. The large first section of the arm that raises and lowers the digging equipment. Stick, arm. Connects the boom to the bucket and controls the bucket's reach. Hydraulic cylinders. Use pressurized hydraulic fluid to move the boom, arm, and bucket. hrparts.com+1. Cat. The enclosed area where the operator controls the machine. Tracks. Allow the excavator to move over large soft ground and provide stability. lp.kawasaki-hydraulic-finder.cr.co.jp. Upper house. Contains the cab, engine, hydraulic components, and other equipment and can rotate relative to the tracks. Wikipedia. Counterweight. The heavy rear section helps balance the machine while digging and lifting. Trench. Building construction common uses. Digging foundations, making trenches, moving soil and rocks, road construction, landscaping and land clearing, loading excavated material, construction and mining work. In simple words, an excavator uses hydraulic power plus a strong arm plus a bucket plus tracks to dig and move materials efficiently.
Bulldozer.
Bulldozer. It is a heavy construction machine designed mainly to push, spread, and level soil, rocks, and other materials. Its continuous tracks give it strong traction and stability on rough or soft ground. Building construction common uses. Road construction and maintenance, mining and quarrying, land clearing, leveling and grading construction sites, moving soil, sand, and rubble, preparing foundations and work areas, maintaining temporary or haul roads. Star important feature. Unlike an excavator, which is primarily designed to dig and lift, a bulldozer is especially good at pushing large amounts of material forward. Its tracks provide excellent grip and stability on difficult terrain.
Backhoe loader.
Backhoe loader. It is a versatile construction machine with a front loader bucket and a rear excavator arm, allowing it to perform loading, digging, trenching, and material handling work. It is used for digging trenches for pipes, cables, and drainage, excavating soil for foundations and construction, loading soil, gravel, and debris using the front bucket, backfilling trenches after underground work, grading and leveling construction sites, general road and utility work. The front bucket provides loading and leveling capability, while the rear boom, dipper, and bucket work like a compact excavator.
Wheeldozer.
Wheel loader, information, specification, wrench main functions. The large front bucket is designed to scoop, lift, carry and load materials, such as sand, gravel, soil, crushed stone, construction debris, agricultural materials, stockpiled materials. Doosan describes its wheel loaders as machines for loading and transporting materials in construction, municipal, industrial, mining and quarrying applications. Doosan equipment. Here important features. 1. Powerful diesel engine. The DL200 family uses diesel engines designed to provide strong torque for loading and pushing operations. 2. Hydraulic lifting system. Hydraulic cylinders raise and tilt the bucket, allowing the operator to dig into a pile, lift material and dump it into a truck or stockpile. 3. Articulated steering. The machine bends at its center, giving it good maneuverability in relatively confined work areas. 4. Large tires. The 20.5R25 tires found on many DL200 versions provide traction and ground clearance on construction sites. Lecture specs. 5. Enclosed operator pad. The pad provides the operator with controls, windshield visibility and protection from the working environment. Building construction common applications. Road construction, building site preparation, quarry work, gravel and aggregate handling, loading dump trucks, landscaping and earthmoving, material stockpile management. Note: the exact specifications of the machine in your photograph may differ from the figures above. If you want, I can also give you a complete DL200 specification sheet including engine, horsepower, bucket capacity, operating weight, dimensions, hydraulic system, fuel tank, transmission and lifting capacity.
Dump truck.
Dump truck. Specification. Details. Main features. Large dump body. Designed to carry heavy loads of rock, soil, ore, and other bulk material. Powerful 3,408 engine. The turbocharged diesel produces roughly 450 horsepower net. Power shift transmission. 7 forward gears help the truck operate efficiently over changing haul road conditions. Heavy-duty construction. The rigid frame and large off-road tires are designed for demanding quarry and mining environments. Hydraulic dumping system. The body can be raised in roughly 11 seconds and lowered in about 11.4 seconds. Construction equipment guide. Large dimensions. Approximately 8.0 meters long, 4.5 meters wide, and 3.8 meters high. What it is used for. The CAT 769C is suitable for open-pit mining, quarrying, earthmoving, road construction, and large excavation projects where large quantities of material need to be transported. Mineral Resources Tasmania. Note: the exact specifications can vary with the truck's configuration, dump body, tires, and modifications.
Motor
Tractor
grader.
motor grader. Information. Wrench. What it does. Levels and smooths roads. Creates the correct road slope crown. Spreads and shapes gravel or soil. Cuts and cleans roadside ditches. Finishes surfaces before paving. Can be equipped with a scarifier ripper for loosening compacted material. The large adjustable blade in the middle is called the moldboard. It can be raised, lowered, tilted, and angled to precisely move material. About the exact model. The photograph does not show a clear model number badge, so I can't reliably identify the exact manufacturer model from the image alone. For comparison, a modern Caterpillar 140 motor grader is rated around 255 horsepower, weighs around 19.5 tons in one configuration, and uses a 12-foot 4.27 meters blade.
Road roller.
Road roller used mainly for compacting asphalt and other road surfaces. Construction main information. Type: tandem vibratory road roller. Drums: 2 steel drums, front and rear. Main purpose: compacting asphalt, road base, and paving materials. Vibration: vibrating drums increase compaction efficiency. Steering: articulated steering is common on this type. Cab: enclosed operator cabin with good visibility. Typical use: highway construction, road resurfacing, parking lots, and pavement repair. Power: common models are roughly 50 to 130 HP, depending on size and manufacturer. Operating weight: often around 5 to 15 tons, depending on the model. Key advantage: produces a smooth, dense, even road surface.
Forklift. Truck crane.
Truck crane. Main components: telescopic boom, extends and retracts to provide different lifting heights. Hook and wire rope, used to attach and raise loads. Hydraulic cylinders, raise and extend the boom. Slewing system, rotates the upper crane structure. Outriggers, extend from the chassis to provide stability during lifting. Counterweight, helps balance the crane during operation. Operator cab, contains the controls and monitoring systems. Common uses: this type of crane is used for construction projects, bridge work, industrial installation, infrastructure projects, equipment handling, and general heavy lifting. Truck cranes are particularly useful because they can travel between job sites on roads and then perform lifting work after being properly set up. Global. Important: the 30-ton rating is a maximum rated capacity under specified conditions. The actual safe lifting capacity changes with boom length, working radius, outrigger position, and other factors. Tadano's crane systems use load monitoring and safety systems to help manage these conditions.
Concrete mixer truck.
Concrete mixer truck. It is designed to transport and continuously mix ready mixed concrete from a batching plant to a construction site. Specifications for the mixer unit: the complete truck's engine, chassis, dimensions and road payload depend on the chassis selected. Main features: 9 cubic meters nominal concrete filling capacity, suitable for many construction projects. The mixer drum uses Lycra 500 special steel, designed for high wear resistance and longer drum service life. Generation 05 was developed for better cost efficiency, ergonomics, safety and easier cleaning. An optional electronic EMC drum controller can adjust drum drive operation according to loading and unloading requirements, helping reduce unnecessary fuel consumption and wear. The platform design allows accessories such as extension chutes and storage equipment to be configured according to the customer's needs. What it is used for. This is commonly used for building foundations, slabs, columns, roads, bridges, commercial buildings and other concrete construction work. The rotating drum keeps the concrete mixed during transportation so it can be discharged at the
Asphalt paver.
concrete mixer truck. It is designed to transport and continuously mix ready mixed concrete from a batching plant to a construction site. Specifications for the mixer unit. The complete truck's engine, chassis, dimensions and road payload depend on the chassis selected. Main features: 9 cubic meters nominal concrete filling capacity, suitable for many construction projects. The mixer drum uses Lycra 500 special steel, designed for high wear resistance and longer drum service life. Generation 05 was developed for better cost efficiency, ergonomics, safety and easier cleaning. An optional electronic EMC drum controller can adjust drum drive operation according to loading and unloading requirements, helping reduce unnecessary fuel consumption and wear. The platform design allows accessories such as extension chutes and storage equipment to be configured according to the customer.
Truck crane.
Truck crane. Information. Main features: 3-axle truck chassis for road mobility. Telescopic hydraulic boom for reaching different lifting heights. Hydraulic outriggers provide stability during lifting. 360 degrees type slewing operation allows the upper crane structure to rotate. Main and auxiliary winches are used for lifting and lowering loads. Designed for construction, bridge work, industrial projects, equipment installation, ports and general material handling. The crane is driven to the work location. The outriggers are extended and the truck is stabilized. The telescopic boom is raised and extended. The hook and wire rope are positioned over the load. Hydraulic systems control lifting, boom movement and rotation. The load is carefully moved and lowered. Important: the 25-ton rating is the maximum rated capacity under specified conditions, not a guarantee that it can lift 25 tons at every boom length and working radius. The manufacturer's load chart must be followed for each lift.
Tower crane.
Tower crane, used mainly for lifting and moving heavy materials on construction sites. The vertical lattice structure provides height and supports the crane. Main jib, the long horizontal boom where the trolley travels. Trolley, moves along the jib to change the lifting radius. Hook and wire rope, used to lift construction materials. Counter jib, the shorter rear section balances the main jib. Counterweights, heavy weights mounted at the rear for balance. Slewing mechanism, allows the upper crane assembly to rotate. Operator cabin, the enclosed cabin near the tower. Foundation base, anchors the crane securely to the ground. Tower cranes are particularly useful for buildings and large infrastructure because they can provide substantial lifting height and reach. Common applications: high-rise building construction, residential and commercial buildings, bridges and infrastructure, steel structure installation, moving concrete, reinforcement steel and formwork.
Scissor lift.
Scissor lift. It is a self-propelled aerial work platform designed to lift workers and tools vertically for construction and maintenance work. It is used for: the RT4394 is commonly used for high-level construction and maintenance, such as building construction, steel and structural work, electrical installation, HVAC installation, painting and finishing, warehouse and industrial maintenance, installing lights, pipes, and other overhead equipment. Its large platform provides considerably more workspace than many boom lifts, while the four-wheel drive and oscillating axle help it operate on uneven construction sites. Important: the exact specifications can vary by production year, engine configuration, options, and country.